Hey. Hey. Pay attention, goddammit. Thank you very much for coming out. I want to thank Ken Fanger of Twin Chins Trikes. He's the man, and he allowed us to have this here. I hope you enjoy it. Check out all the history of the magazine, and we're trying to make more history. So the first thing on the agenda, and we just signed a deal with a group in Southern California called ID Supply, and one of the owners is Jesse James. And ID Supply handles apparel for West Coast shoppers, for Mike Tyson, for
WWE, UFC, Formula 1.
Yeah, these guys are serious. Introduce the staff of Easyriders magazine, and you're not one of them, goddammit. So anyway, let's start with David Nichols. Dave Nichols has been here. Dave Nichols has been part of the staff for 30 years. And next, Felicia Morgan. Felicia Morgan, step up here. Step up. Felicia Morgan is actually shooting a cover for Easyriders magazine tomorrow morning at 3 o'clock in the morning in a desert 75 miles from here. And then we have Penny Osiki. Penny is the advertising director, and she's amazing, and she's helped out a great deal, and she's really the madam behind this party. You know, so if you have any complaints about the party, there's Penny. And then there's Kristen. Kristen is amazing. You know, when I first took over the magazine, one of the things I needed to do was find a new art director. And actually, I found her in Deadwood. And she's just been so helpful, and the magazine looks fantastic, and it's up to Kristen. Thank you very much, Kristen. Now, I got to make a mention that all of our staff members who are featured in this painting are going to sign that painting. And Daniel James or Penny has something up their sleeve they're going to do with that painting. So the paintings are kind of becoming popular. Anyway, and then there's Michael Lichter. Michael Lichter has been a part of our staff since 1978. 1978. You know, and you probably wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for Michael Lichter featuring the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally year after year after year after year after year after year.
Not that old.
And then the only guy that's not here is Buster Cates. And then I got to introduce Daniel James. Daniel James is a magnificent artist, and I mean, he's just a delight to work with, and he's the guy creating our center spreads. And I've had a lot of people come up to me and say, you know, your center spreads are pretty amazing. You know, we love David Mann, and but Daniel James has taken it out of the ballpark. So it's pretty incredible. And then we got Christian Reichardt. Christian Reichardt is the licensing czar of Easyriders magazine. So, oh my God, I forgot our Sturgis prospect is Kendra, and she is just a delight to work with. I couldn't even enumerate how many things she's helped us out with, and she's the ice maiden for this party. Her and her husband and all her kids own Free Show Customs just down the street, and they put on a beer garden every weekend. Oh, we got to mention Ellen Teresi is here. Where are you, you rascal? Yeah, she's hiding. Wife of the former owner, Joe Teresi. Yeah, Yeah. So anyway, we got to thank Ellen like 1,000 times. She just helped put this whole thing together. She's helped us move forward and get the magazine back on track. And so I just can't thank her enough.
We had a great time at the Easyriders kickoff party during the 2026 Sturgis Rally. Like and subscribe so you won't miss any of the good times. When you get a minute, go to easyriders.com and pick up a subscription.